You may have watched the science video, the short little few-minute science video that gives you kind of a summary. You may have listened to the podcast with Doug Steele, which goes into more in-depth as to what happens when you don't get adequate sleep. And typically that's triggered by incorrect light at the wrong time of day. So what happens when you don't get that sleep? Sundowning is a major problem with seniors. A lot of seniors are sleepy during the day. They're napping constantly. They have a meal, go to sleep, wake up, eat another meal, go to sleep again, and then they're awake all night long. What happens when that happens? They don't get that sleep. They don't get that restorative sleep. They could have mood issues, depression, anxiety, and in general, it's terrible for their health and vitality. They want to be able to stay in that house. They want to be able to stay in that location and enjoy life to the fullest, and they can't because of that. You need to make sure that those lights are calibrated correctly to maximize that sleep. You may have health issues that result from that. Inadequate sleep can lead to heart issues, brain and neurology issues. Sleep affects Alzheimer's, dementia, Parkinson's. All those neurologic issues have causation that's sleep. They may have lessening with proper sleep. All of it is kind of tied into sleep. Your alertness during the day is critical to make sure that you, when you have adequate sleep, you're alert during the day. So all of those problems can result from that. Appetite is another one, where you don't get adequate light in the at the right times of day. Your appetite can be diminished. The food is not rich, it's gray. All of those things can be affected by improper light, improper sleep. And we want to make sure you're maximizing your enjoyment of life. And bringing the outdoors inside helps you do that. And the lights that are properly configured, which we sell at healthyseniorlighting.com, help you bring the outdoors inside. So thanks for watching, and check out our products on the product page.